Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at and do an unboxing of the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. Hey guys, this is Mike again from B-Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. And before we get started on the unboxing, I just wanted to give a shout out to Ariana, who actually sent this to me. She contacted me via Twitter on my Twitter page. Obviously, I messaged them asking if I could maybe get a tester unit, and she luckily responded to me. So definitely want to give them a big shout out on that, especially since I haven't really gotten a tester unit when it comes to cell phones in a really long time. So I kind of want to get back on that level here, guys, in 2019, and hopefully we can get things going. But let's go ahead and check out the unboxing of the G3 Plus. Alright guys, thanks. So let's go ahead and get the unboxing started here. So you can see here that this thing is still basically in its plastic wrapping. So luckily I have a trusty knife here that we can go ahead and unbox this with really quick. Let me see if I can get that going for you guys really quick. I don't want to ruin the integrity of the box here, but we might just have to. Okay, so again, this is the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. It's one of their flagship devices basically, and I requested to get this in Onyx Black. Basically, it's more of like a well, it's a black color, obviously. They have this in different colors if you just get the regular G3 though. So the regular G3 will come in red, a metallic red, a metallic blue. Ooh, let's see, how do I get this open? Let's see, do I have to just slide this out? Okay, let's find out. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so obviously if you get the regular version, will have definitely a smaller battery. So this being the Plus version does come with a bigger battery. So the G3 Plus comes with a 4,000 milliamp battery. I'm not 100% sure if there's a huge spec difference when it comes to the camera, but again, this is just the unboxing and overview. And let me see if I can get this going for you guys. This is a little tough actually. Let's see. There we go. Hold on, let's see if I can pop that out for you a little bit without shaking any of the camera. Nuu Mobile making it very difficult for me to take this out of the box, but that's okay. So here it is, guys. Here's the G3 Plus, and you know, if obviously out of the box you're gonna get some stuff, you know, when it comes to the actual phone. So let me go ahead and just take the phone out of this plastic wrapper. Pretty cool. Again, Nuu Mobile. Nuu Mobile is actually kind of new to me. I didn't really discover them until last year. So last year I basically, you know, decided to start just messaging new companies when it comes to smartphones, especially when it comes to lower end, well, not lower end, but lower priced budget phones that have really good specs. So all around, this phone just feels really good in the hand. Let's take a look at the specs here really quick. So obviously it does have a 5.7 inch HD plus display. Its pixels or resolution is 1440 by 720. It's got a MediaTek 2.39 gigahertz quad or octa-core, excuse me. I'm used to saying quad core, but you know, this one has an octa-core processor. Definitely it's got 4T LGE band, so this is an unlocked phone that you can purchase off their website. I believe this phone retails for $229, but again, sometimes they do have sales on their website, and I'm probably going to post an Amazon link down for you guys to check that out. So usually you know, they're about the same price on Amazon, so definitely check that out, guys, if you guys are interested in this phone. It's got a fingerprint sensor in the back, so obviously the fingerprint sensor is there along with the dual cameras there. It's got a 13 megapixel camera along well, let's see, 13 and 5 megapixel camera on the rear and a 13 megapixel on the front. And if you guys look at this, it looks like it does have a flash on the front. So very interesting. Unlocked phones made better, obviously. So there's a lot of competition when it comes to lower end smartphones when it comes to the price point and whatnot, and we'll talk about that a little later, especially on my the review. But I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off just so we can kind of get a good look at it. Ooh, that feels good. And let's see, let's look at the side button action here really quick. As you can see here, it looks like the volume rockers and the power buttons are all on the side. So let's go ahead and turn this on while we take a look at the, let's see, whoa, hello. That is a bright screen, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the box really quick. And while that's getting going, let's take a look what else is inside the box. These look just like little stickers. Nuu Mobile, again, Nuu Mobile, want to give you shout outs for sending this out to me. Definitely very happy that I was able to get a tester unit. Again, it's been a pretty long time for me, but B-Tech Reviews to get a tester unit. So while this is starting, let's go ahead and just take a look at what's outside of the box here. Just, you know, instructions, etc. like that. Pretty cool that this thing actually comes with a soft shelled case, so you don't even have to buy a case out. You know, you can just get one from, you know, the actual packaging here, which is cool. And it's not a hard case. I mean, it's more of like a plastic bendy case, I guess, but you know, it will protect your phone if you drop it from the back especially. So let's put that over here for now. Check out the charger here, typical charging brick. I believe this phone does have fast charging, if I'm not correct on that, but I will correct myself on the review video. Interesting choice of connection here, though. It's a USB Type-C from the looks of it. That's USB Type-C, but I'm trying to figure out why. I've never had such a small wire go into something like this. So interesting. Hold on. I'm assuming that the other wire is going to be over here. So I'm assuming this is for audio because it looks like an audio jack. So it looks like you would probably plug that in. I'm going to put this back really quick. Just so, and here again, here is the actual charging cable. I'm going to put that back though because I already have a USB Type-C charging cable, so it won't do me justice or at least too much, but I am going to save the power brick. So again, guys, let's take a look at this phone. Oh my goodness, okay, you can't, it's probably going to be tough to see. Let me see if I can get this phone started, and then I'll go ahead and get the brightness lowered so that you guys can kind of see what's going on the screen here, guys. But okay, let's take a look at that. Alright guys, so I'm back, so... Whoop. Hello. Okay, so my phone decided to send messages or something like that. That sounds like my email. So again, I'm back here, and I just got this phone set up. I added my fingerprint and everything like that. And right off the bat, I can tell you that this phone, it feels really good in the hand. First of all, it doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't feel too light. It's kind of like in the sweet spot. As you can see there, obviously it does have a little notification light for you if you decide to get that going. Obviously, if you get an email or a text message or something, I feel like that's something that I kind of miss in smartphones. I have an iPhone 10 that I use, but again, this is something that I really kind of miss, especially when it comes to smartphones, just because, you know, sometimes I don't want to see the screen light up. I just want to see something like that light up to let me know that, hey, I have a message or something like that. So very interesting device so far. I did have to lower the brightness so that you guys can kind of see what's going on here, but for the most part, this thing out of the box should be running Android 8.1. Let me see if I can get the specs going for you guys here really quick. Again, this is the G3 Plus, so definitely I'm a big fan of the build quality. First of all, obviously it does have bezels up here and on the bottom also, but it's not bad to the point where, like, hey, you're gonna complain about it. Obviously, a lot of people say that they don't mind it. I feel like it's kind of in the right spot to have this actual phone, you know, be useful, just because, you know, there's people that like to play games or like to hold, you know, the phone like this without having to touch the screen or do anything to the screen. So I feel like this is kind of like the sweet spot. And again, 5.7-inch screen is really not too bad at all. Definitely. This phone is already, you know, going up on my list. Again, this phone does have Android Oreo out of the box, so I want to see if there's any updates, see if that will affect anything here. Let's take a look. I'm trying to find the specs on the website really quick, but again, basically, here we go. So again, this does have fast charging, so luckily, if you guys are looking for a phone that does have fast charging, I'm just seeing here, apparently this phone has NFC also, so if you guys are used to making you know, payments via your phone, whether you do it at the grocery store or at a restaurant or something like that, definitely just be aware that yes, this phone does have NFC. It does have a dual SIM card also, which is pretty cool. Internal memory, it does have 64 gigabytes out of the box, so let me see if I can actually check that out for you guys really quick. Well, let me see if I can zoom in here or get this focused here. Let's see if I can angle this out. There you go. There you go. Okay, so angling this out is a little better. Let's go to storage here, and yes, it does have 64 gigs out of the box here. So let's see if I can again get that to zoom in here. So again, only 7.7 gigs are used out of the 64 gigabytes or whatever you want to call it. So pretty freaking cool. Also, that for this price point, it has more than 32 gigs, because you can compare this to phones like the Motorola G6 or phones like the LG Stylo 4, etc. like that. So this would probably fall into that category. And oh my gosh, I'm just really enjoying this phone. It feels super snappy. Again, it has an octa-core processor. Let's take a look at what apps come out of the box here. So definitely, let's see, it does have a camera, Google Chrome Duo. Let's see, file manager, FM radio. Basically just typical Google apps. You're not really going to see anything major right now. I'm going to check to see if there is an update for this. Let's find out though, but here's your drop down menu bar. Again, this is running Android 8.1 Oreo. Yes, it's not the newest, you know, Android P would be the newest version of Android, but really honestly, like after Android like 5.0 or 6.0, most Android devices basically run the same when it comes to that version. So I mean, if you're running anything past prior to Android 5, then you're probably running an older smartphone. But just again, guys, you know, the build quality on this is impressive. I haven't peeled this back portion off yet, so you can see whatever it says right there. It's just saying that it has dual SIM trays. I can add a micro SD card as well, so expandable memory is an option here. I don't know if the back is removable, but definitely it's not something that I probably it does have, and I won't be surprised if it doesn't have removable back, just because this does have NFC. As you can see here on the bottom, USB Type-C with 2 speaker grills on the bottom. So definitely, you know, if you lay this phone down, you're not going to get muffled. You're not going to get a muffled sound when it comes to you know, playing music and whatnot. And let's see how fast this unlocks. Oh my goodness, this phone unlocks, and it's very snappy, guys. So far out of the box, I'm just really impressed, and definitely looking forward to see what this phone can do outside of the box. Let me take a picture of my lens here just for the heck of it right before I end this video, and let's just see how long this camera app takes to go. Oh, hold on, did I bring out the right app? Hold on, let's see. I think I opened up the browser. Here we go. Let's open up the camera app really quick. So camera app is pretty quick to respond. Whoa, hello. I do not want to turn on the flash. And again, hold on, let me see what's going on here. I feel like my screen brightness is on auto right now, so definitely I'm gonna have to kind of mess with the settings there, because it is affecting things a little bit on my end. I'm having trouble seeing. You guys can probably see the screen, but I can't see the screen. So again, that's auto brightness probably. Let me see. Let's see if we can turn off the flash here. I don't want the flash. Let's see. How do I turn this off? I just want HDR off. Let's see. Let's turn on HDR. Okay, let's just do that. Let's do it like that, okay? And again, this is a 13 megapixel camera, so again, let's see how this picture comes out. And not too bad. I mean, it was pretty quick. And let's see if we can get detail on that. I mean, you can technically see, you know, what it's saying there, 35 millimeter and whatnot, the numbers there. So again, you know, I'm gonna have to mess around with this a little more, guys, but overall I'm just really impressed by this phone and the unboxing so far. And again, this is the G3 Plus from Nuu Mobile, and it's an unlocked Android device that you can get for, I believe, $229 off their website. I'm gonna post their link, and I'm gonna post an Amazon link just to show you guys. I'll eventually peel this off, but just looking at it all around, it's a beautiful phone. Definitely, it doesn't feel like it's cheap. It does feel like it's made out of plastic materials, but I feel like they kind of got it right when it came to the hard touch plastics or whatever. Even the power button, it has somewhat of a, well, let's see if I can get that to focus here. But even the power button has some sort of a kind of like a little bit of kind of like a texture or something like that. Like right there is the power button. Let's see if I can get that to focus before. There we go. So let's see. Oh, hello. Okay, here we go. So okay, I don't know if I'm gonna get that on camera or not, guys. Let me move this out of the way. But it's definitely a phone to really look at. So again, the power button does have some sort of texture, so you know it's the power button opposed to the actual volume rockers there. But again, guys, this is the, and then let's put my finger on. Let's just try that out. That is quick, by the way. Okay, let's turn off the screen again. Let's see if I can get that turned off for you really quick. Again, I'm gonna just put it on really quick. Let's see how fast that is. Wow. Okay, so very impressed by this processor that they put in here. Again, it's an octa-core, so definitely for the price, I would want to say, wow, this is pretty amazing. I'm really gonna put this above the Moto G6 right now, just because it's technically a little cheaper. It's in the same price range, but I feel just like the phone is snappier. It feels a little bit more smooth and fluid when it comes to using the actual device here. So, and just moving from app to app feels really simple to use. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna have to update the apps though, but anyway, guys, keep an eye out for the review video. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys like my channel, please subscribe, guys, as always, as I'm gonna try to push out more content this year in 2019. So again, guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews signing off. We'll see you guys next time.